Hello everyone and welcome to French Circles. Talking about time in French can be a bit tricky, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down the differences between these time indicators.
Depuis, pendant, pour, il y a.
These indicators are often used to talk about time, but each one has a very specific use. So, let's make French time expressions simple. Let's start with the first preposition.
Depuis,
This preposition is used to talk about an action that started in the past but is still ongoing in the present. Example: I have been learning French for 2 years.
j'apprends le français depuis 2 ans.
This means I started 2 years ago and I am still learning today. The action started in the past, still ongoing. This preposition is often used with the present tense. Check this table. Let's continue with the second preposition.
Pendant,
This preposition expresses a complete and limited duration, often in the past or future. Example for the past: yesterday, I worked for 3 hours.
hier, j'ai travaillé pendant 3 heures.
This means that I started yesterday and I completed the action. The action started and ended in the past. This preposition is not used for an action that is still ongoing. It is used for a complete duration, in the past or future. Example for the future: I will be on vacation for 2 weeks.
Je vais être en vacances pendant 2 semaines.
The action will start and end in a specific moment in the future. Let's continue with the third preposition.
Pour,
This preposition is used to indicate a planned duration, often in the future. Example: I am going to Paris for a week.
je pars à Paris pour 1 semaine.
This means that I intend to stay for a week, but the duration hasn't happened yet. This preposition is often used to describe an intended or planned duration, especially in the future. Now the last one.
Il y a.
This French expression is used to talk about a moment in the past. It's like saying, ago, in English. Example: I visited Ottawa 3 months ago.
J'ai visité Ottawa, il y a 3 mois.
This means the action happened 3 months before now. The time expression indicates how far back in the past the event occurred. This French expression is often used with a verb in the past tense. Now, let's practice these time indicators. Choose the correct answer.
J'apprends le français. 6 mois. J'apprends le français depuis 6 mois.
Yes, that's correct. Choose the correct answer.
Nous avons voyagé en Europe. 3 semaines. Nous avons voyagé en Europe pendant 3 semaines.
Yes, that's correct. Choose the correct answer.
Elle part en vacances. 2 semaines. Elle part en vacances pour 2 semaines.
Yes, that's correct. Choose the correct answer.
Il a commencé son nouveau travail. 1 an. Il a commencé son nouveau travail il y a 1 an.
Yes, that's correct. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to try the exercise linked in the description below. Once you've completed it, check your answers. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you next time.